Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of woodcraft ideas, nature-inspired designs in woodworking world. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Nature-inspired designs in woodworking offer a captivating avenue for artisans to create pieces that resonate with the organic beauty of the natural world while celebrating the inherent characteristics of wood. One compelling approach is to incorporate the shapes, forms, and textures found in nature into furniture and decor items. For instance, a dining table modeled after the curves of a flowing river can evoke a sense of serenity and connection to the great outdoors. By using live-edge slabs of wood, artisans can preserve the natural contours of the tree, allowing the table to tell its own story of growth and life. This technique not only showcases the unique grain patterns and colors of the wood, but also celebrates the individuality of each piece, transforming a functional object into a work of art that invites conversation and contemplation. In addition to furniture, nature-inspired designs can be beautifully expressed through smaller decor items such as wall art, sculptures, or decorative accents. Artisans can create intricate carvings that mimic the forms of leaves, flowers, or animals, capturing the essence of the natural world in their work. For example, a wooden wall hanging that features a detailed depiction of a forest scene can bring the tranquility of nature indoors, providing a calming presence in a living space. By utilizing techniques such as relief carving or pyrography, woodworkers can add depth and dimension to their pieces, further enhancing the natural aesthetic. These artworks serve not only as decorations, but also as reminders of the beauty and complexity of nature, encouraging viewers to appreciate the world around them. Another innovative idea is to design functional items that reflect the beauty of nature while promoting sustainability. For example, creating kitchen utensils or serving boards from reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced timber can emphasize the importance of environmental stewardship. Artisans can incorporate organic shapes and flowing lines into the designs of these items, making them not only practical but also visually appealing. A serving board shaped like a leaf or a spoon with a handle that resembles a branch can infuse everyday tasks with a sense of nature, transforming the mundane into something special. By highlighting the natural characteristics of the wood, such as knots, grain patterns, and color variations, woodworkers can create pieces that celebrate the imperfections and uniqueness of each material, much like the natural world itself. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Incorporating elements of nature into outdoor furniture is another exciting avenue for woodworkers. Designing benches, chairs, or picnic tables that blend seamlessly with their surroundings can create inviting spaces for relaxation and socializing. For instance, a bench that mimics the shape of a fallen log can enhance a garden or park setting, providing a natural resting place that encourages people to connect with nature. By using weather-resistant woods such as cedar or redwood, artisans can ensure that their outdoor pieces not only look beautiful, but also stand the test of time against the elements. Adding features such as integrated planters or trellises for climbing plants can further enhance the connection to nature, inviting biodiversity into outdoor spaces and creating a harmonious environment. Nature-inspired woodworking can also extend to functional art pieces that serve as reminders of the changing seasons. A seasonal display piece, such as a wooden tree that can be adorned with different leaves, flowers, or ornaments throughout the year, can encourage individuals to engage with nature's rhythms. This type of project invites creativity and interaction, allowing homeowners to personalize their space while celebrating the beauty of the natural world. Additionally, incorporating color and texture through the use of natural stains or finishes can further enhance the connection to the environment, providing a tactile experience that invites touch and exploration. Creating educational installations that highlight the beauty of nature through woodworking can also inspire deeper connections to the environment. For example, an interactive nature table made from wood could feature carved representations of local flora and fauna, providing visitors with information about the ecosystem and its importance. This kind of installation engages the community and serves as an educational tool, fostering appreciation for the environment while showcasing the artistry involved in woodworking. By blending craftsmanship with education, artisans can create spaces that inspire curiosity and a desire to learn more about the natural world. Another innovative idea is to design pieces that incorporate living elements, such as air plants or succulents, into wooden structures. Creating planters or wall-mounted displays that allow plants to thrive alongside beautifully crafted wood can enhance the aesthetic appeal of a space while promoting a connection to nature. These living sculptures not only provide visual interest, but also contribute to improved air quality and a sense of well-being in the home. By thoughtfully integrating plants into their designs, woodworkers can create dynamic pieces that evolve over time, reflecting the changing nature of life itself. Furthermore, exploring the concept of biophilic design in woodworking can lead to inspiring creations that prioritize human connections to nature. This design philosophy emphasizes the integration of natural elements into built environments, promoting health, well-being, and productivity. Woodworkers can create installations that incorporate natural light, airflow, and organic shapes to create calming and restorative spaces. For instance, a wooden room divider that mimics the pattern of tree branches can add visual interest while maintaining a sense of openness and connection to the outdoors. By focusing on the sensory experience of interacting with wood and nature, artisans can design spaces that nurture both the body and the mind. Collaborative projects that involve community participation can also enrich the experience of nature-inspired woodworking. By engaging local residents in the design and construction of public installations, woodworkers can create spaces that reflect the community's identity and values. For example, a community garden could feature wooden benches and planters crafted by local artisans, inviting residents to connect with each other and their environment. This collaborative approach fosters a sense of ownership and pride in the space, encouraging individuals to actively engage with their surroundings while appreciating the artistry involved in the woodworking process. Nature-inspired designs in woodworking offer a wealth of opportunities for creativity, exploration, and connection to the natural world. By incorporating organic shapes, textures, and elements into furniture, decor, and functional art, artisans can celebrate the beauty of wood while inviting viewers to engage with their creations. Whether through interactive installations, sustainable practices, or collaborative projects, nature-inspired woodworking serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of our connection to the environment. These creations not only enhance our living spaces, but also inspire a deeper appreciation for the world around us, encouraging individuals to embrace the beauty and complexity of nature in their everyday lives. As artisans continue to explore and innovate within this realm, they contribute to a broader conversation about sustainability, creativity, and the role of craftsmanship in fostering harmony between humanity and the natural environment. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wood craft ideas for nature-inspired designs in woodworking world. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.